Hello and welcome back to another video. We are currently driving south on the west coast of Scotland. It is a balmy autumnal day and we are going to walk to go and see the Bone Caves. What are the Bone Caves? Not entirely sure, but we're going to go and find out.
Unlike Ben, I read the sign and it's called the Bone Cave because they found the bones of bears here. How cool is that? Bears!
Are there still bones of bears
I
there?
doubt it, but it's cool. Okay, I learnt some more about the caves and I have to tell you, so we're just going to stick this in somewhere. But the caves not only had bear bones in it, it had the bones of wild horses and wolves and Arctic foxes and, believe it or not, a 20,000-year-old polar bear skull. How cool is that? So, you know, bone caves because there was a lot of bones in there. Cool. Let's go find a cave.
Go on then, adventurous cat.
It's just showing off.
So it's done. This is just about my favourite kind of walk. You've got the winding valley, rocky hills, the flowing river. It's just perfect. There's not much of an actual path, but you're just kind of scrambling over the rocks and past the river. But that's all part of the fun.
That was risky, that one.
Almost lost it.
Yeah. Don't get too close, you'll hear me puffing. I won't sound as fit.
It doesn't matter how fit you are. We've come up quite a way. See the people walking down there?
I think we're close to the cave. Was that too nerdy? That might have been too nerdy.
No. We are nerdy.
I can see a cave.
The Bone Caves.
It's a cave. Echo! Echo! I'm just echoing myself now.
Yeah.
It's not how it works. Wait, let me try again. Echo! It didn't work.
No, there's no echo.
So maybe this is where the bears curled up and went to sleep. Or brought their kill or whatever it is bears do.
Does look like it would be, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Little cubby hole at the back of the cave.
Oh, I can see a cobweb. Let me out quick. Let me out quick.
That's those kind of spaces that you see like nutters on Instagram crawling into. In fact, they probably look at that and go, yeah, that's massive. Plenty of room in there.
Yeah, no thank you.
Yeah, I'll leave that for the real daredevil. Those are the kind of videos that make me feel like sick just watching them.
Yeah, super claustrophobic.
Yeah.
That was the boat case. That was actually really cool. I really enjoyed that walk. Not too scary for me. And some nice caves to finish it off. I think it's a looped walk, so we're going to carry around and then go back on ourselves. And go have some food. Starving. Hello, Coos!
Hello and welcome to hike number 2 of the video. We're parked up somewhere around the base of Ben Nevis, but we're not going up Ben Nevis, we're going to Glen Nevis, which is the kind of series of valleys that run near the base of Ben Nevis. We just stopped off to say hello to the Highland cows.
Highland coos.
And then we're going to head off on this hike, which we're quite excited for because it has, well, I'm quite excited, you're quite nervous. It has a sort of potentially semi-dangerous way of crossing a river at some stage. So I'm looking forward to that. Jess isn't. Let's get going.
It'll be fun. Let's go.
We've parked at the Lower Falls car park on Glen Nevis Road, and there's hardly anybody else here, so I'm hoping we're going to have the hiking trail mostly to ourselves. You good?
Made it. Cool.
It's fun.
Yeah. Are we accidentally climbing Ben Nevis? This is a bit hillier than I'd like.
I think you'll find Ben Nevis is significantly harder than what we're doing now.
It's still a hill.
It is still a hill. And when you're as unfit as we are, every hill feels like Ben Nevis. This is Jess versus a very, very small, easily passable stream. Round 6.
It's a bit of a slippy rock. Right.
If anyone thinks that we exaggerate this for the videos, we promise you we really don't. Well done. You live to fight another day.
I blink and you're over it already.
To try and be fair to you, I have much longer legs than you do. It makes it easier. Also, not to depress you further, but we haven't actually got to the start of the hike yet, technically. This is the 1.5 mile walk between the lower and upper car park, and it's at the upper car park that the walk begins. This is just the preamble, this is the aperitif to the hike. We haven't eaten anything for at least half an hour, so it's snack time.
The super healthy jammy dodger to keep you going.
Okay, now we're starting the hike.
Yeah, now I'm sweating.
Just a little 1.5 mile warm up. It's all good.
Welcome to the walk. Easy.
Well done.
I got this. Oh, this looks a bit hilly.
You okay?
Yeah.
So far, this is a really, really cool walk. Really enjoying it. The terrain is interesting enough that you have to kind of stay engaged and keep the focus. Every now and again, there's a couple of rocks to scramble up. And then you've got the constant roar of the river down to the right. And then you've got loads of little waterfalls and streams kind of coming off the hill from up here. And every now and again, you've got to cross one of them as it runs across the path. Really, really cool. The mixture of kind of woodland, hillside, and then every now and again there's some really impressive viewpoints where you can look out over the glen. Big thumbs up for me so far.
Look at this. Wow. I wish you could all see it in person because it's just so cool.
Yeah, it's one of the really disappointing things about this is the camera, or at least our camera, never quite gets the majesty of it.
Keep liking and subscribing so we can get a better one.
Yeah.
It looks terrifying.
I don't think you're going to like it, truth be told. The wire occasionally twists underfoot as you're going, so that's fine.
How was that?
Fun?
It looks so scary. I'm regretting my decisions.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to like it. So let's keep a nice tight grip.
Not sure how I feel about this.
You can, trust me, it's easy. I gotta come over to you now.
I can't believe I did that. My legs are like jelly.
It's made up for the chain walk.
Mum's gonna kill me when she sees this. Sorry, Mum.
Now we have heroically traversed the wire bridge. Well done.
Never again.
We're going to go and try and get an up close look at that waterfall. There's stepping stones to get through the bog, but you have to get through bog to get to the stepping stones. I don't know why you're reaching for me. Hey.
I'm a professional now.
Yeah, you got all the daring in the world now.
I've got what?
All the daring in the world.
I thought you said all the dairy.
All the dairy.
I don't.
So the path back wasn't traversable on the other side of the river, so we're going to have to go back across. And the only way back across is that rope bridge, or what Jess is currently doing. And so she went for that option. I've now lost Jess. She's going for a walk on the other side of the river. Hello. What about down there? She's now trying to find a place that she can walk across. Okay, Jess is now safely back on this side of the river.
I feel like that counts as a wild swim, right? That was terrifying. I don't know what was worse.
We both have wet shoes and socks, but never mind. And now we're starting the hike back the way we came to go back to the car park.
Yeah, super quick because that parking's running out.
Yeah. Ah, we're back. Thank fuck for that.
Ah.
Time for lunch.
Definitely. Okay, the walk is done. We are in for the night, chilling in the van now. So we will love you and leave you. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. Bye.
Bye.
You did a peace sign.
I don't know what I did. I'm too tired.
Peace out, man.
I don't know what my hands are doing.
Bye.